Once again, Easter morning to everyone.
Good morning, Father.
Salamat sa gitna ng init na ito. Nagpapasalamat pa rin tayo sa Diyos. Nagbuhay pa tayo, nagpupuri pa tayo sa Panginoon at nagdidiwa. No? We celebrate, we continue to celebrate. Today also is the priestly ordination anniversary of Father Bipin. Please greet Father Bipin today, no? Because it is his ordination day. Salamat sa Diyos. No? So there are so many things to be grateful for. But today, we hear in the gospel what is called the Last Supper Discourse. Nagpapaalam na siya, paalam. No? But yung paalam niya, may assurance. May assurance. What is, when we say goodbye, it is short for God be with you. We say goodbye, we say in Spanish, adios, to God. No? To God. No? We are all to God, on our way to God. And habang siya nagpapaalam, He gives us this assurance. No? He says, no, I will go and prepare a place for you. No? There are many dwelling places. I will prepare a place for you. I will come back again and take you myself. Ako mismo. No? So habang papaalam siya, binigay niya yung assurance sa kanya at sa atin. Yan ang paalam niya sa atin. No? Pero sometimes we doubt. No? Sabi niya, do not worry. The gospel begins, do not let your hearts be troubled. No? Ito nga yung assurance. Binibigyan niya tayo ng assurance para wag tayo mangamba. Pero pag hinayaan natin ang takot na umibabaw sa atin, we will be paralyzed. That's why the assurance which we have to hang on in faith. Wag tayo magpadala sa takot, wag tayo magpadala sa anxiety, sa stress, sa worry. It is there. It is a problem, yes, yes. But the problem will pass. The assurance remains. Yun naman ang pangako sa atin. So no matter what happens, yesterday we were talking about daming problema, this global warming, we do not know how high the temperature will be, the wars, our illnesses, our concerns, our relationships. Maraming tayong iba-ibang mga problema na hinaharap. But do not worry, lilipas rin yan. And then, the last assurance, He said, ako yung daan. Kumapit kayo sa akin. Ako ang daan, ang katotohanan at ang buhay. The way, the truth, and the life. Everything will pass. Lilipas rin yan. Lilipas rin yan. Magtiwala tayo sa Kanya. That is eternal. All our problems are temporal, whatever it is. Have faith in God. Have faith also in me. And finally, again, the assurance. Hindi ito yung ating permanenteng tahanan. Temporary lang naman talaga tayo dito ang ating tunay na tahanan sa langit. Kaya susunduin niya tayo at dadalhin niya tayo siya mismo doon sa ating tunay na tahanan. What better assurance do we have? So do not be pinned down by our heavy burdens. No? We trust in Him. The more challenging it gets, the more we turn to Him. Pag walang problema, bumibitaw tayo. Pag may problema, mas lalo tayong kumakapit sa Kanya sapagkat wala naman tayong kinakapitan kung hindi siya lamang. Kaya salamat sa Diyos. He is truly alive this Easter season. We turn to Him as He gives us this assurance. Goodbye. God be with you. Adios to God. Thanks be to God.